Hello everyone. Now here we are. We're going to be looking at Weebly. We'll do a little online tutorial here with Weebly.com. That's Weebly, and this is basically part of your assignment to create a website. Okay, so it's either Weebly or WordPress. I'm doing a WordPress tutorial later on, and this is the Weebly. Okay. Now with this is what the screen you will see. So you'll know you're on Weebly when you go to Weebly.com. Either you signed up already or logged in. When you sign up, you click on sign up button. Just type in your full name, and I would advise you to create a junk mail email address. That's my junk mail address. I'm just going to pop that in there, and then put in a password. Any password that will work. And then sign up. And be careful that you want to click on this and not but also sign in through Facebook here and also I never try to do this, so I'm going to sign up. I don't want that. Okay. Now, of course, business, portfolio, personal, and you want to do blog, what you're going to put in for business, personal. So you're just going to pick the personal one. Continue. Okay. And you can skip this. This allows you to basically expedite the creation process, which makes it easy to start this up. You can put in whatever you want to call that, you can do it later. Skip this step and do it later. So I'm going to skip this step here at the moment. Okay? And then what it'll do is it'll ask you to select a theme. So any of these themes, I'm just going to, because you can change these afterwards, so I'm just going to select one basically straight away. Anyone doesn't even matter, because you can change it later. I'm just basically going to set it in that. So I'm going to go in there and I'm going to select this one here. Wait for some time for it to load, and that's basically what it will look like. So if I want to close that, maybe choose another one, preview. Another one would be, say, that one there. So preview that one. And as that sort of previews, wait for it to load. And sometimes it can take a long time depending on the time of day that you're using, and what time people actually use it. It takes some time to load. So you put load there. Okay, so it's loading up there for me. Now all these images, you might have to go in and change the images yourself and the text on them. I'm going to start editing this. Just waiting for you to basically put it in practice now. And this is basically the interface to the web. And this is the choosing. This is what I want to show you. This is what's important. This box here. It's choosing the website back. This is very important. What you want to call your website. Okay? And you can buy it if you already own a domain already. Have that in there. Or you can register it. This is going to be what you do. But you can do it here before you put in whatever you want. So for the example, I'm just going to put in my name. Now it will say it's already taken because I've already got it. So I'm just going to put in a new name, so it's done. And it will check and say it's available. Okay? So I'm just going to put in 00 so that I can distinguish between my name and this one. I'm going to click on continue, and that will bring me into the main theme which I've created. And this is also quite important. Okay? This is a drag and drop situation here. What I'm going to do now is I'm just going to scroll up and down here to see what the site is. Now, this is the site as it is at the moment. Now, you can keep those images in there if you want to, or you can change them. This is basically a portfolio theme You can change this if you want to by going up to themes up here. Now the theme will automatically change accordingly. So in this case, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pages. So when you go to pages, you will have those 5 pages down here. And you can chop and change where you want to put those pages. So you can move this up here, and that will automatically move to here. There we go. And it will give you something else, something different. Okay. I'm going to bring that down to where it was. And that's basically, it gives you a drag and drop element. So when I go into build, that's where all of these things here are. So I can basically drag and drop elements into this box here. So drag and drop elements. So I can drag a text box into there, and I can click on there, and I can start typing whatever I want into that box. And that's a text box. I can bold it, and I can italicize it, select it, and we're looking at essentially what is a really good thing. Okay. Click off that. I can go over here and drag an image just underneath it. So it's a blue line and highlight. I should drop it in. And that will give me an image placeholder. So I can then click on the image placeholder here, and I can then find a photo from the computer, or I can drag a photograph into this space here from the desk. Okay? So that depends on where I'm searching for an image. Okay? Now, the images that you have on here, depending on the theme, I can edit the background and change the image. So if I want to change the image, I can say replace the image, and it will then allow me to change the image. And it also will give you an option of looking at the images there. So it's this image here, there, and it will change it here. So that's my image selected. The other thing you have to look at is you always have to say in the screen button up here. So remember these depending on the theme and what happens. You can also change different areas down here using this toolbar. Yeah, so publish new. We're not going to go into that later on in another video. I'm going to give you another video later on. And this basically here is your navigation bar, toolbar, everything. Shows you everything you can do with the actual theme builder. You can actually build your site from here using different images, slideshow, bring in a map, a news form, a contact us form. So we've got a contact us here. I can actually go to the contact form here and just drag it into here, and it will actually load up a contact form for me, and I can actually sort of use that if I want to use it. I can basically decide, no, I don't want to use that, and click this X here, it'll go red, and I can delete it. Okay. Now, in terms of, I'm just going to click out of that. In terms of, say, the home page, we're going to go to the home page here. Every time you go into the home page, that's what the home page will be. So it'll be different from, say, the next page, and this will be for all the themes. So be very careful on that, as well as, say, the weddings as well. Page and the journal page will all be different. So when I went into the wedding page and changed that image to the Chinese lanterns, that won't happen to this page. So when are we going to be optimizing each of these pages? Remember, we're going to be optimizing the page, not the website. And that's what we need to do. We can change this text up here or whatever, but this is all pertains to this particular theme. So when I go up here and change themes, so I can change the theme or I can change the fonts up here, I can change the theme. And that will bring up all the themes that we had close to before, and I can move those to different theme that I want to blog theme. We want to just name this blog theme, and the photo theme. I can click on any of these to choose the color. It will automatically change the theme in front of you as it's doing now. let's do these super also. Like sometimes the feelings are interesting. But that's basically how we do. That's for this particular one at the moment. So no, it's not that now.